So, couple of things just reach out to you about. I'm trying to encourage everyone to please take membership to my channel, and I'm not asking it for myself. I'm just asking it because all my whatever I earn on my channel is going to help needy children with a college education. I've already sponsored two children so far, with whatever little bit. It's not a full. I'm not earning enough to, pay their full fees, but at least I'm helping out with part of their fees. I'm trying to raise more funds for that. So please be generous. Take membership for my channel, or super chat, stickers, whatever it is. If not membership, at least super stats, super chat, super stickers, whatever way you can contribute financially to my channel, because it's going for not even helping myself, like buy me a coffee, buy me this, buy me that, and people use it for themselves, right? I'm not using it for myself. I send out proof to all my channel members who have subscribed. I send proof to them, how much I've received, how much I'm sending out. I send proof to everybody. So um, that's my humble appeal. Please, please, just just contribute as much as you can towards my channel. Even if you watch ads, that will help a little bit, but then you have to watch full ads and be very regular with watching the ads. Then I can pick up something more on ad revenues. So I just leave it up to you. Please do contribute towards my channel. Yeah. Like, it's taken me 7 months just to reach 100 Canadian dollars. That's not enough to sponsor anybody. 7 months. No, I want to reach 100 Canadian dollars every month. At least that will be very helpful to help pay the full fees in the whole year. I can pay the full fees for some needy children college education. So please, I'm just appealing to all of you to please help me out that way. You will also be helping out the children who really deserve education. Like, I'll give you just an example. There is a student in grade 12. Okay, now not college, but it's in grade 12. And I needed to send money when I got my money in the month of May. I needed to send it out to someone. So I got in touch with the principal of the school, whom I know personally. So I got in touch and said, any needy children, I'll be reaching $100 soon. So, any needy children, I'm willing to help and things like that. And she told me about this student. She is a merit student, and so with the result is, when she goes into college next year after grade 12, she will be on a scholarship. So she doesn't pay anything for a college education. But she was dropping out of school just to complete her 12th standard. She was dropping out because the parents could no longer afford to pay the fees. So the principal said they are trying to help from some way or the other. Plus there is some kind of grant coming in from the government, but it's not enough because she's a merit student. But it's not enough. So I said, okay, I will contribute. But I said, I'm not getting every month. So that's the thing. So please, I'm just appealing to everyone. Try to help me reach 100 Canadian dollars, not a not US, 100 Canadian dollars per month. That's more than enough. you know so it will help towards needy children. So that's my humble request, please. So super chat, super stickers, whatever way you can do it.